Go see where two girls they discuss. Angela, your curves are nice. Where did you make it? Lekki. How much? 5 million. For what? Why will you spend that kind of money? Look at my own. Guess how much? 200. Opiweka. Oquistos. As the girl goes, oh my God, they have cheated me. No, don't worry, don't worry. You know that our friend Josephine, she did her own 20,000 in Enugu.
Funny Bone Live. Aina Son.
All right, thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for yourself. If you're sitting beside any married man, tell the person Happy Father's Day. Tell the person Happy Father's Day. Please, a round of applause for yourself. If you're a father, clap. I beg you, no easy. Yeah. Today is a special day for me. Today is my marriage anniversary. I'm 10 years in marriage. Mona, clap for me. I don't look it, Abi. Now family problem cause am. Una see as I slim. Over these 10 years, I've come to realize there is no formula to marriage. Don't let anybody deceive you. My marriage counselor that have been counseling me for the past 10 years, they get problem for a marriage now. Life now turn by turn. I mean they cancel them. Women are not your mate. Oh. If you want to succeed in your marriage, you have to have wisdom with your wives. Those early days when I got married, whenever we are eating on the dining, my wife will be complaining, you are making noise with the spoon and knife. People of God, for peace to reign in my house, now rubber spoon and plate, now they use the chop. If I no tell you now, I go no. Women are not your mates. Truly. Fathers, they try. And I want to beg you here, owners of all these private school owners, the pressure on fathers now is too much. We did not kill our fathers, our children will not kill us. I beg, owners of private school, Mona, help us. Just this time that my children opened school, I took my children to school. First day on resumption, they gave me one list. They say it's toiletries. 3 of my children, 600,000. Do you know one tissue in Nigeria is 200 naira? If you divide 600,000 by 200, that means each child will be using 3,000 toilet roll, 110. I don't know when I asked the woman, madam, these children get spiritual diarrhea. I can't want my children, make sure you don't put in this school. Any day my children are going to school, I give them Fly-G. Take this one in the morning, take this one in the afternoon. In our own time, there was nothing like toiletries. The toiletries, they will know now, Vanguard newspaper, hello. All you need to do, you sprinkle water. Okay, you don't use them, are you not successful? What is all this pressure they are putting on our life? Rubbish. Men are going through a lot. Have you ever asked yourself this question? Why is it that it is very difficult for you to see a man fall under the anointing or cry during worship for church? Men are very proud. Would even be proud for God. Okay, imagine say you go church, you can't fall under the anointing, can't they cry? On Monday, they can't show you for your church Facebook picture where you they cry. Now your friends go come, they call you. Now wow, Baba, see as you they disgrace us. Oh. Old man like you, see as you they cry for church. I been at the Dorime will go do for Cubano on Saturday. Now you go to look for church admin, made them bring down the picture. We go through a lot. Do you know men go through sexual denial? Hello? I'm saying this, my wife is here. I'm speaking on behalf of my friend. Because this is what I want to talk now, go cause problem for our house. Women don't use sex as a tool. My wife, any day my wife won't send me message now when I want to play with her in the night. As we start the play, the next week, baby, go and check if the front door is locked. I go run. You know, women know the men know they use sex play. I go come back. We go play. Baby, are you sure the children's fan is closed? I go run, go talk to children's fan. I will come back. The next way my wife go tell me, say, baby, your hand is too hot. I go put my hand for fridge. When I come back, she go tell you, can't we play? Am I your playmate? We should stop all this rubbish. Men are going through a lot. I ask a Super Eagle people there, Nigerian footballers, where they do. See, don't deceive yourself. Nigeria can never carry World Cup. All this is what they do. Until we begin to use our own local league. This year we are complaining the naira is going up until we start making use of our local product. All of us here with the support. We have Chelsea fans, up Chelsea, up Man U. You see them. But we need to learn from the whites. Check the names of their football clubs. Manchester, Real Madrid, PSG. Check the names of our Nigerian club. Warri Wolves, Sharks of Port Harcourt, Aqua United. Do you know that the names of these foreign clubs are so beautiful that we even call our children the names of this club? If you born Pikin, call them Arsenal. Okay, imagine say you born Pikin, they call them Warri Wolves. The Pikin don't go, they behave well. DJ, that anthem, don't they? If you watch their commentary, if you listen to this Oyibo people commentary, DJ, I bet don't touch that thing. Just listen, you go just hear one fine voice. You go just hear something like this. Ladies and gentlemen, it's Mike Day 23, brought to you live by Sonny Erickson, PlayStation 3. Today's match is gonna be very hectic. It's a 4-3-3 formation. PSG playing against Manchester. I've seen Mbappe, the most expensive player. He has scored about 500 goals. I wonder what today's match is gonna look like. Tommy, tell me, what do you think? It's a way you can look at the players. They look very hectic. They look very good tonight. The weather is quite gloomy. Trust me, it's gonna be an amazing match. Break up. DJ, then when you go to places like Arab, Dubai, DJ play, you have something like Assalamu alaikum alhamdulillah ajazira wal wasalla wal halla bahalla wallahim etodeko wa halla sallawa wallana mani mona klabna sallawalla sallawahim. DJ Breaker, imagine say they use this anthem for Nigerian League. DJ play, go have something like, ladies and gentlemen, this is the match between Eimba Football Club of Aba and Rangers Football Club of Enugu. Whenever they play, they remind me of Biafran War. The last time they played, 3 people died. I wonder how many people will die in today's match. Paul Ogazi, what do you think? You can see the players are not happy. How can they be happy? How can somebody be playing football and the governor will not pay? Is it supposed to be like this? No. DJ Breaker. They say, but I be like they don't score. He say, who score? He say, be like saying a lice man. Lagos women are beg. The rate at which women are doing BBL in this Lagos, it don't do too much. It's so much that even when you see a woman in a beautiful curves, you gotta imagine, then do this one on original. I want to announce to you, there is a region in Nigeria. They study every business for 7 years. They have understudied this BBL business for 6 years. Next year, they are coming on board. Aba boys will enter BBL next year. And you know, say Igbo men, any business where Igbo man enter, he go crash the price. Before, to go to London, you spend 3 million. But when airpiece come, they go London, they crash the price. By next year, BBL will be very cheap. You go see where 2 girls they discuss. Angela, your curves are nice. Where did you make it? Lekki. How much? 5 million. For what? Why will you spend that kind of money? Look at my own. Guess how much? 200. Opiweka. Oh, Christos. As the girl go say, oh my God, they have cheated me. No, don't worry. You know that our friend Josephine, she did her own 20,000 in Enugu. By then, all these forknizers go they make money well. You know, normally if you're driving and your car, your tire don't lay down, somebody go say, okay, your tire is down. By then, as woman they walk out, somebody go, sis, it's dropping. Then woman go say, oh my God, vulcanizer. Please, can you pump it? Gauge it 30-30. One of the challenges we are facing as married people in this country, now house help issue. I want to say that our parents did not suffer. Life was very easy for our parents. When our mothers got married, they would send house help from the villages. Very loyal girls. Those girls who stay in our home 20 years. But now in my generation, we don't have house help. They call them nannies. Some work with some agencies. Some they collect 15,000. Some they collect 20. There is nothing you do to satisfy these nannies. I changed 6 nannies in 1 month. My first nanny, any day I come home, she'll speak one English. Welcome, daddies. I said, Nancy Guinea. I said, welcome, daddies. I say, no, if this one is speaking wrong English in my front, what will happen when she's with my children? I say, no, this one need to do what? Go. We brought another nanny, very hard working. My wife gave her an instruction. He said, anything I buy from the market, put it in the fridge. You know women now, my wife went to the market that day, bought so many things. Even me, I say, I go buy fuel, come watch ball. By the time I enter my kitchen and open my fridge, if you see the things I saw in my fridge, I saw palm oil, detergent, my wife with on, tissue, even the fuel I buy, I see her for fridge. I say, no, this one need to do what? I brought another one, very hard working, but I didn't know we're living with a mad woman. That one will clean my house, clean my neighbor's house. 3 o'clock, she will knock on the door. My wife will ask, who are you? Auntie, I'm the one. Have you cleaned the parlor? Yes, ma. Have you cleaned the room? Yes, ma. What is remaining? Just to bath you and Oga. When I heard that my nanny want to bait me and my wife, I say, no, this one need to do what? I brought another one, 12 years old. That one was drinking my son's milk. I was giving my son Eba for 3 months. Finally, I called my wife. I said, we are tired of all these young nannies. That we need a mature nanny. Somebody say mature nanny. People of God, I went and brought a 65-year-old mama in my house. I became an errand boy in my house. Mama will call me, you're getting married. One day I came home, I saw my wife washing plates in the kitchen. I said, what happened? She said, Mama said anybody that eats in this house must wash plates. One day, Mama called me and my wife for a meeting. She said she does not want to see anybody in the parlor on Sunday. Now in the meeting, her Njikoka local government, Lagos branch, they will be having Sunday meeting. The other day I came into the parlor, I was watching a movie around 9. Mama came into the parlor and said, everybody go and sleep, tomorrow is school. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Franchez.
Funny Bone Live, Aina Son.